Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how honey is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
From the delicate blossoms of diverse ecosystems, nature begins its intricate dance of creation.
Guardians of the hive, beekeepers meticulously nurture their colonies, ensuring health and vitality.
Within the dark chambers, the industrious bee transforms nectar into the liquid gold we cherish.
A testament to their tireless work, each frame brims with the sweet bounty of the season.
The first harvest begins, carefully gathered from the heart of the fields, destined for processing. From field to factory, the journey of honey moves from nature's embrace to the controlled environment of modern production. Efficiency dictates the pace, as the raw harvest is consolidated for its journey to the processing hub.
Every frame must be secured, protecting the delicate wax seals from the vibrations of the road.
Leaving the sanctuary of the hives, the harvest enters the logistics chain of modern agriculture. Time to perfection. The honey must reach the facility quickly to maintain its natural purity and temperature. Entry into the processing zone marks the transition from raw nature to controlled industrial precision.
Arrival is complete. The heavy gates open to receive the golden cargo for its transformation.
Inside the facility, the pace quickens as the raw harvest is brought into a climate-controlled environment.
Stringent hygiene protocols ensure that no external contaminants follow the honey into the processing heart.
Modern engineering meets ancient tradition in this state-of-the-art cathedral of food production. Automation begins the flow, moving the heavy harvest with tireless, mechanical precision. Human expertise remains the first line of defense, verifying the quality of every single frame. Gentle warmth prepares the nectar, easing its journey from the honeycomb to the extraction phase. The seal is broken. Precision blades remove the wax veil to reveal the liquid treasure within. Every drop is reclaimed as the beeswax is separate, ensuring nothing of the bees' labor is wasted. Centrifugal force becomes the catalyst, ready to pull the honey from its hexagonal cradle. At high speeds, the honey is liberated, flowing in golden torrents toward the filtration stage. A primary pass removes the larger remnants of the hive, beginning the journey toward clarity. Driven by industrial power, the raw honey is channeled into the heart of the refinery. Inside these massive reservoirs, thermal stabilization begins, ensuring the honey remains fluid and uniform. Under intense pressure, the honey is forced through microscopic membranes to achieve its signature brilliance. Precision temperature control is vital, preventing the formation of crystals without compromising flavor. A vacuum environment extracts trapped air, leaving behind a liquid as clear as polished amber. Artistry meets industry, as different batches are unified into a single, perfect signature blend. Having reached its peak clarity and consistency, the honey is ready for its final transformation.
A final polishing pass ensures the honey achieves a jewel-like transparency, free of even the smallest clouding. Bringing the temperature down to a precise threshold is critical for the high-speed filling machinery ahead.
The buffer reservoir maintains a constant pressure, ensuring a steady, uninterrupted flow to the bottling line. Total sterility is maintained as the containers are prepped to house the golden harvest. In a display of mechanical synchronized swimming, precision pistons dispense the honey with milligram accuracy. Hermetically sealed and vacuum-packed, the essence of the wildflower fields is now safely preserved. Precision optics guide the final branding, ensuring every jar reflects the premium quality of the honey within.
Artificial intelligence stands watch, rejecting any imperfection with lightning-fast mechanical reflexes.
Robotic agility transforms a stream of individuals into a coordinated formation, ready for the final journey.
The infrastructure of logistics is built in real time, providing a sturdy shell for the delicate glass containers.
Every gram is accounted for, ensuring the consumer receives exactly what nature and industry promised.
Traceability is etched into the packaging, a digital link back to the very bees that began the process. Ascending through the facility, the finished product moves toward the final stages of industrial organization. High above the production floor, the logistics of scale are managed with silent, automated efficiency. Strength and precision converge as heavy-duty robotics organize the harvest into bulk units.
Structural integrity is reinforced, ensuring the liquid gold remains protected during global transit.
Encased in a protective skin, the pallet is transformed into a single, immovable unit of commerce. Before the final dispatch, samples are whisked away to a world of microscopic scrutiny. In the lab, the honey's chemical signature is decoded to guarantee absolute purity.
Microscopic analysis confirms the botanical source, certifying the honey's authentic floral heritage.
Precision measurement ensures the honey contains the ideal moisture balance for long-lasting freshness.
Advanced chemistry protects the honey's delicate enzymes, ensuring its natural health benefits remain intact.
The human palate provides the final verdict, confirming that every jar meets the gold standard of flavor. The digital and physical worlds meet, as every pallet receives its unique identity for global tracking.
The digital and physical worlds meet, as every pallet receives its unique identity for global tracking. With quality certified, the honey enters the final staging area, held at the perfect temperature to preserve its golden essence.
In this vast library of nature's bounty, the harvest waits for the call of global logistics.
Digital systems orchestrate the movement, ensuring each batch reaches its destination with total traceability.
The final link in the chain is forged as the harvest is loaded for its journey to tables around the world.
And this is how modern factories produce honey from start to finish.
From the flight of the bee to the precision of the machine, the cycle is complete. Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.